The material magic happens at COMPAMED. The exhibitors here combine high-tech materials and top production processes. This is how future biocompatible implants become reality today.
We produce and develop also absorbable mesh materials which can be used for hernia repair, also for breast reconstruction. And sure, these meshes cover a long or broad degradation profile, and it's not necessary to re-implant them. So the irritation level is very low for the patient, and this is really an advantage.
The right material for the right task. The memory shape alloy Nitinol is the key ingredient for flexible yet durable implants.
Of Nitinol Steinbart material with a maximum inclusion size of 39 microns, we developed a refinement process on it, so we come down with the inclusion size to 10 microns, which is used in the Nitinol market for different applications.
One application can be an hardware frame, for example, like this one. And the good material from Euroflex helps us to have the best fatigue life on the final component, which is the best for the patient as well. The current demand is also electrospinning. That's a new development we currently do, and we also have a close look into 3D printing of Nitinol, where we are one of the first ones on the market that are actually capable of doing that.
You want more insights? Come visit next COMPAMED.